Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today this is something new I'm going to show you in this video, how you can install an n8n server with the 100 most used workflows in the world. As you know, nowadays there are many workflows available on the internet, in the catalog, and a lot of people share workflows on LinkedIn and especially on social media. But there are only about 100 that are the most useful for businesses and individuals who want to optimize their work. You can waste a lot of time testing and trying out different workflows, but what I've done is make a selection to give you the most widely used workflows in the world, the ones most downloaded by companies. About 10 of them are my own, and the other 90 were created by other users, but they are truly functional and well documented. So, what's the idea here? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly have all the workflows installed, as you'll see, with all the operational configurations, and all you have to do is simply run them. So there will no longer be any need to waste time, to spend hours and hours searching and testing. I'm going to give you the 100 workflows that are automatically pre-installed on the n8n server. I'll show you how to do it step by step. It's very simple, it only takes a few minutes, and you'll have an operational server with workflows that meet market needs and are essential for businesses, especially for influencers and content creators. Stay until the end of the video, I'll show you all the steps to get these 100 workflows for free. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to show you now how I set up a hosting a server with the 100 workflows, and also at the end of the video, I'll show you if you already have a hosting a server, how you can also turn it into a server with 100 pre-installed workflows. So we'll start with those who don't have a server yet. I'll provide you with the link that takes you directly to this page. Be careful, you absolutely need to be on this page, which is dedicated to n8n workflows. So that's very important. The idea here is that I'll have an n8n server at a low price, because if I compare it with the official server, the price is much higher there, and above all, I only get 5 active workflows. On the other hand, with the hosting a server here, I have an unlimited number of servers. That's what makes it such a strong point, So with this system, I'm not limited to 5 workflows per month. No, I can set up hundreds or even thousands of workflows, always at the same price. The system offers 2 servers. One has a single processor and the other has 2 processors. Well, I use the one with 2 processors because once you go over 20 workflows, you'll see it starts to get heavy and will lag. So having a server with 2 processors is really what's so interesting. People who start with a single processor can always upgrade later. Yes, it's possible, but honestly the price difference isn't that big, so it's much more worthwhile to go for the one with 2 processors. So now I just need to click here on continue and I'll show you how I activate the 100 workflows. Once I'm on this page, you'll see that here I can choose the duration. Obviously, the more months you choose, the better the price gets. So if I choose 24 months, which is also very appealing, don't forget that I have a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means here I can test, implement my workflows, run all sorts of small tests, and then if I'm not satisfied, I just have to send a quick message to Hostinger to get a refund, and that's a very appealing guarantee. You can add a discount coupon here, which will give you the chance to get yet another reduction. You simply type it in like this, Dr. Firas, click on apply, and you'll see that you'll get yet another discount for an even better price. So next, what you'll do is simply scroll down here. Now, don't choose this one, the n8n. You come here and type n8n there. So it shows you all the available n8n servers. So here I type n8. And there you go. I can actually find here the second n8n server plus 100 workflows. So quite simply, there are 2. There's this one with yellow chips and there's the other one. Now, the other one, sometimes the description here can change. You might find just n8n or n8n plus the 100 or even the 200. We always try to keep the number of workflows that will be available here up to date. So you have the right to choose whether it's an empty server or a server here that's full of workflows. Now, I recommend selecting this one, which is the best, so the n8n server currently available with the most used and most downloaded workflows. All that's left to do really is simply to click here on continue to move on to the next step and start the installation. So even if you've installed the n8n server, the one with the yellow chips and you don't have the workflow, I'll show you right now how you can still upgrade for free and automatically retrieve these workflows directly from the back office interface. And there you go. After the installation, it's simply here on my Hostinger back office. I can see that the installation was completed successfully. And I actually have the option here to easily manage the application. That means when I click here, it will take me to the system where I can create my n8n account. And inside, I'll see the pre-installed workflow. So here, all I need to do is enter my email, first name, last name, and then set a password to access the entire server. And that's it. I just need to enter my email address and Hostinger will send me what's called a lifetime free license. So I can actually use the n8n VPS server without any limitations. As you can see here in the background, you can already see the workflows that are installed. So now I'm going to enter my email address to activate my account. And there you go. I actually received the key and there's simply a little button here to click to activate the unlimited license. You'll see that now. There you go. I have unlimited use of my system and I can use the workflows, that's it, in an unlimited way and activate them. So now we're going to take a look at the workflows. And here is actually the list of workflows that I've already installed. So there are about 100 of them. You'll see here, I haven't displayed them by the 100 and I can see, so here's the list of my entire system. And of course I can also sort them if I want to sort them like this. So let's go take a look. So here are the different workflows. There are certainly several that are mine, which you can simply use for free, and you can also just activate them. And there you go, the workflows are installed. All you have to do is simply select the one you're interested in. Of course, you'll then need to connect your own Google Sheets or your own LLM model for the system to work. But as you can see here, all the systems are well set up. If you want to receive all the other workflows I have, as well as the documentation, just go here to n8n Dr. Firas VP. Just enter your email address and you immediately receive more templates along with additional documentation. And finally, for those who already have an n8n server and want to get the workflow, of course you'll come here. So there's what's called changing the OS. Here you just need to type n8n and you'll see that you can find this server with its workflow. Of course, don't forget that when you click here, you will actually lose the data inside. So either you remember to back up your workflows so you can import them later, or if you don't have any workflows, it's very simple. You just click next here and the installation will stop. It will take a maximum of 5 minutes and you'll see the installation will be completed. So that's for people who already have a Hostinger server and who can actually get my top selection of all the workflows available on the market today, the most downloaded in the world. And if you're still here, that means you're interested in workflows, automation, and no code. And I have a gift for you. So it's simple. You just need to go to this address, Dr. Firas, VP. It's easy. And here you'll find a bundle of 30 courses on artificial intelligence, automation, you'll find Make, you find n8n, you find no code, Bolt, Data Bottom, and a ton of other tools. So here, in fact, in this bundle, there's something really interesting. You'll see that here you'll be able to enter a special free coupon. But be careful, this coupon is only valid for a few days. So if you're watching the video a bit late, I'm sorry, the coupon will no longer work. So this coupon is simply Juillet 2025. So this coupon, so let's try to use it. It's a coupon made especially for the summer to help you get the most out of your learning. And you'll see it's a 30% discount. So for 69 euros, you'll get access to my 30 trainings, 30 courses that are currently available on Udemy with a total value of 497 euros. But here on my website, to encourage you to learn automation, come on, it's only a little over 60 euros. So each course ends up costing barely 3 euros or even less than 2 euros. And so you also have the option to try it out. So there's a 14-day guarantee because I'm sure that once you start with the first course, you'll like it and you'll want to continue. There are also some people who want to choose this option. So this allows them to get all my future courses and n8n workflows for free for life. You should know that I produce a huge amount of content and the courses available here are actually different from those on YouTube because they're much more advanced. Here, I show things step by step. I take my time to explain, and generally, I start with the workflow from A to Z, starting from a blank page. So once you click on continue, you'll be taken to this interface. This is an interface where you'll actually find all the courses according to the pack you've purchased. Because here as well, we have our pack that contains a total of 130 courses, still with the same coupon, which you can apply here to get a 30% discount. So once you're inside, you just need to select the course that interests you. For example, here you'll find what's called the documentation. Of course, you'll also find the important and necessary videos. You can download the workflows, and here it's generally a step-by-step course where I actually show you how I did the configurations. And this actually helps people, especially beginners, to learn how to make the right decisions, debug, solve errors, and be able to create their own workflow independently. So that's the goal. So I take an existing workshop, redo it from A to Z, and show how I think, how I solve problems in order to end up with a fully functional workflow. So all these training courses are available on our back office and you just need to access them. Thank you very much, and maybe I'll see you right away in our training interface.